Hi there. In this 50K case study review, I'm going to show you a step-by-step blueprint that claims to help you generate over $50,000 in just 7 days using simple systems and strategies. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab 50K case study through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is the 50K case study? Now, let's talk about what the 50K case study actually is. It's a step-by-step training that shows you how to launch a product that attracts sales, traffic, and affiliates, all in a short period of time. It's designed for anyone who wants to simplify their launches and scale their business without spending a fortune on ads or complicated systems. What's cool about this system? You don't need any coding skills, you don't need partners, and you certainly don't need to beg for promotions. The system is all about using proven strategies, automation, and AI-powered tools to streamline the process and drive results. Now, I want to be honest with you. This isn't some magic tool that's going to make you rich overnight. 50K case study gives you the tools, training, and strategies to build a successful launch, but you'll still need to put in the work to see real results. It's not a shortcut to instant wealth. It's a blueprint for consistent online success if you're ready to implement and take action. Here are some standout features that caught my eye. Proven step-by-step training walks you through the exact strategies Kevin Fahey used to generate over $50,000 in 7 days. Sales page tweaks. Learn how to design high-converting sales pages that grab attention and boost conversions. Affiliate attraction strategies. How to build partnerships with affiliates who are eager to promote your offers. Dime sale pricing strategy. How to create urgency and excitement around your product with strategic pricing. No need for coding or expensive partners. The system is designed for anyone, even if you're just starting out. How it works. It's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Sign up and get access to the training materials. Step 2. Learn how to create and launch your product using the provided strategies. Step 3. Drive traffic, attract affiliates, and start seeing sales come in. No technical skills required. Just follow the training, take action, and you're good to go. Now let's play a quick video that explains how the system works in more detail.
What if I told you that turning a simple idea into $50,000 in 7 days is not only possible, but something you can do too? Hi, I'm Kevin Fahey. Over the years, I've built a career out of creating strategies that work. Whether it's affiliate marketing, product creation, or driving sales, I've learned that success comes down to having the right system in place. And today, I'm here to share with you a system so effective, it's transformed the way I think about making money online. Imagine taking a single idea, one you may already have, and turning it into something that generates $50,000 in a week. That's exactly what I did, and now I want to show you how you can do it too. Here's the thing, a lot of people overcomplicate making money online. They think they need expensive tools, endless advertising, or months of preparation, but the truth, you don't. Like many online entrepreneurs, I used to spend hours trying to figure out how to make the idea work. I'd invest in paid traffic campaigns that didn't convert, spend weeks tweaking websites, and pour money into methods that didn't deliver. Then I realized something. It's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. So I started thinking, what if there was a way to take a simple idea and turn it into something that creates consistent, reliable income without needing a big budget? So I tested my theory, and what happened next blew my mind. I took a single idea, something anyone could do, and turned it into over $50,000 in 7 days. No huge ad spend, no advanced skills, just a simple, repeatable system that works. That's why I created the 50K case study. a complete training where I show you exactly how I made that happen. This isn't about launching products in the traditional sense. It's about taking an idea, any idea, and following a proven system to turn it into something that generates life-changing income. Here's what you'll discover inside. How to take a simple idea and make it profitable. You don't even need something groundbreaking. I'll show you how to identify ideas that sell and turn them into irresistible offers. How to attract attention and drive results, whether it's affiliate partners or customers. I'll teach you strategies to get people excited about what you're offering. Proven pricing and sales strategies. You'll discover how to set up high converting sales pages using pricing tricks like the dime sales strategy and create urgency that drives conversions. Simple, repeatable methods that anyone can follow, no matter your experience level. This system is designed to be straightforward and effective. This isn't about throwing spaghetti against the wall to see what sticks. It's about following a clear, actionable process that delivers results. Here's the proof. In just 7 days, I took this system and generated over $50,000 in sales. Not only that, but the same methods have helped me build a steady stream of income promoting affiliate offers, create additional revenue income from simple ideas, scale my online business consistently over the years. And it's not just for me. This system is designed to work for anyone who's willing to follow the steps. Here's why this system works. It's simple. You don't need advanced skills or fancy tools. If you can follow basic instructions, you can do this. It's proven. This isn't a one-hit wonder or temporary tactic. These methods have been tested and refined over the years of real-world success. It's flexible. You can apply this system to any idea, product, or market, whether you're just starting or looking to grow your existing business. It's scalable. Once you see how it works, you can repeat the process time and time again. For a limited time only, you can access the complete 50K case study at a massive discount. Here's what you'll get. Full access to the video training course and case study. Bonus strategies and tools to maximize your results. Insights from one of Warrior Plus's top ranked vendors. But don't wait too long. This price is only available for a few days. After that, it doubles, and you'll miss out your chance to gain at the lowest price. Click the button below now and grab your copy and start your journey to 50K. I'm so confident in this system that I'm going to give you a 14-day money-back guarantee. Try it out, and if you don't see the value, just send me an email and I'll refund you, no questions asked. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. It's decision time. You can keep doing what you've always done and stay exactly where you are. You can keep doing what you've always done and stay exactly where you are. Or you can take this opportunity to learn a system that has the power to transform your life. Imagine waking up to sales notifications, knowing that your simple idea is working for you even while you sleep. That's the power of the 50K case study. Click the button below and get started. But don't wait. The price is going up soon. Lock in your discount and your bonuses while you still can. Click the button below and get instant access.
After purchasing the main product, you'll be offered several upgrades, also known as OTOs. Here's what you'll see. Pro Upgrade. Unlock additional features and remove any limits to make your launch even bigger. Done for You package. They'll set everything up for you, saving you time and effort. Affiliate Marketing Training. Learn advanced strategies to attract affiliates and get them to promote your offers. Reseller Rights. Get 100% commissions when you resell the system. Advanced Traffic Training. Learn new traffic generation strategies to scale faster. Pick the ones that make sense for your business and skip the ones that don't. So, what do I like about 50K case study? Here's what stands out to me. It's beginner friendly. Perfect for people who are just starting out in online marketing. Proven, step-by-step system. Kevin Fahey is showing you exactly what worked for him, so you're not left guessing. Affiliate focused. It's great for those who want to grow through affiliate marketing and don't want to do it all themselves. Scalable. The system is designed to help you scale, whether you're starting small or looking to expand. While it's a great system, here's what I don't like. Overhyped promises. $50,000 in 7 days might be a stretch for some people. It really depends on your niche and how well you implement the system. Additional costs. Some of the upgrades might feel like they're necessary to fully unlock the potential of the system, which could increase your investment. All in all, if you're looking for a clear, step-by-step blueprint for launching a successful product and driving traffic, 50K case study is definitely worth checking out. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you put in the effort, this could be a great way to scale your online business. You can grab it using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus.